American icon, reimagined for the future. If you want style, speed, and everyday usability, the Mach-E delivers. It's not just another EV, it's a Mustang at heart. Ford's electric gamble has paid off. If safety is your top priority, the Volvo XC90 is the electric SUV to watch. Volvo's legacy of protection continues with a fortress of sensors, including a standard roof-mounted LiDAR for next-level awareness. LiDAR detects obstacles with precision day or night, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Inside, driver monitoring cameras track attention and well-being, ready to intervene if you're distracted or unwell. The X90's design is pure Scandinavian minimalism, clean lines, subtle details, and a calm, inviting presence. The cabin is spacious and filled with light thanks to a panoramic roof and sustainable materials like wool blends and responsibly sourced wood. It's a true three-row SUV offering real space for 7 adults and usable cargo room. Practicality is built in, from family road trips to daily errands. The ride is serene and composed, prioritizing comfort and quiet over sportiness. Dual-motor all-wheel drive ensures confident traction in any weather. The X90 is more than a car, it's a sanctuary, using advanced tech to create peace of mind. Volvo proves that safety and luxury can go hand in hand. If you want the ultimate in family protection, the EX90 leads the way. It's responsible luxury, designed for the real world. The X90 sets a new bar for safety in the electric era. This is Scandinavian style with next-level security. What if your car was more than just a car? Enter the Hyundai Ioniq 7. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, the Ioniq 7 maximizes interior space with a flat floor and long wheelbase. The lounge-like cabin features swiveling captain's chairs and a flexible open layout. Think living room on wheels. Expect clever touches, a sliding center console, mini-fridge, and sustainable materials throughout. Ultra-fast 800V charging means you can add hundreds of miles in under 20 minutes. The bold exterior with signature parametric pixel lighting is as